Having trouble keeping your folders private on a Mac? You're not the only one. It's super common. Someone uses your Mac and suddenly they're looking through your personal files. But don't worry, I've got a quick solution. In this video, I'll show you how to lock a folder on your Mac, even though there's no lock button, so you can keep your stuff safe and private without any confusion. Let's get started. We're going to use a tool that's already built into your Mac, Disk Utility. Stay with me here. This is where it gets interesting. Step 1. Gather what you want to protect. Pick the folder you want to lock. For example, private stuff. Doesn't matter what's inside, this will work. Step 2. Open Disk Utility. Use Spotlight and type Disk Utility. No downloads, no extensions, just pure macOS. Step 3. File, New Image. Image from folder. Now here's where most people mess up. Instead of creating a new disk image from scratch, choose Image from folder. Select your folder. Step 4. Pick your lock. Set encryption to 128-bit AES. A password window will pop up. Choose something you won't forget, but also can't be guessed by anyone in your house or office. Step 5. Format, read only. This makes sure the image is locked and can't be changed. Want to make edits later? You can create a read-write version too. I'll show you how in a bonus tip shortly. Step 6. Save it. macOS will now create a DMG file, a password-protected disk image that works just like a folder. Double-click it. Enter your password. Boom. Access granted. Want to lock it again? Just eject the image like you would with a USB. Now here's what most people never do, but it takes your privacy to the next level. After creating the password-protected image, delete the original folder. Why? Because if it's still sitting on your desktop unprotected, then anyone can see it. The point is to move everything into the locked version and remove the original trail. And for pro users, you can even hide the DMG file with a simple terminal command. Let me know in the comments if you want that trick in the next video.